Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good afternoon to our lecturer, Dr. Hambali and friend. Today I want to present our project for product design and development. The title of the project is My Infrared. My name is Atiqah binti Zakaria. Will be the first presenter for the presentation. This is our project overview. Our project is called My Infrared, and it is a portable and with creative and interesting design and function. It's easy to handle at an outdoor store or supermarket, even if the size of the product is larger. One of main attention of my product is our portable that can assemble and disassemble, dismantle easy and not use more space at any place. Apart from that, it is also as anti-resistant to corrosion and able to resist or be unaffected by sun, which means that it is a long-lasting product. From the research of the previous product, we can conclude the design problem such as the material used for product is not durable and long-lasting material. The second, the previous product easily rust because not coated with anti-rust spray or powder. And the third, the rack are not including with the wheel that make the rack not transportability. And lastly, most rack are not portable, which is not ability to assemble and disassemble the product. For organization chart, this is the organization chart of our project. That is the organization chart of our group member that give 100% of cooperation, focus and understanding that contribute for our project product by April. For the project manager is NASRIN binti NAZARUDDIN, and the project management is me, NURUL binti Zakaria. For the project Gantt chart, the Gantt chart is to ensure that our project that has been marked done from the specified date, which can help to manage and cut for the right process without having unnecessary event or problem. So here we show that Gantt chart for our project. We start from 20 of March until prototype and finish our report project. This is our mission statement. The mission statement is important to define the objective, purpose and goal of a project that will be pursued. From this mission statement, we can know how important the mission statement is for our project. Also help to identify the suitable goal and objective for planning project. From the mission statement, we put a vision, product description, key business goal, primary market, secondary market, assumption, constraint, and stakeholder for our project. For the need statement, a set of raw data will be collected, which is tabulated nicely in a table for better understanding. It can be referred from the need statement before we consult the SOQ. From customer need, we can put a need statement for require customer require. For house of quality (HOQ), from the result of house of quality, we can conclude that the customer require and need established, and we can make innovation the product based from the result. It is important the relationship between the customer requirement and engineering specific for improvement the product. For the rank of the order, we know that what is important and the priority of the main product before we make an innovation for the product. The target cost, product costing and selling price is a crucial step for identifying our costing to complete the pineapple project. This is because to help and guide to use the right source of information to determine an approximate price for the part and also for the manufacturing price range to build the full and complete pineapple. For the product costing, we We divide for some part, such as a raw material for 1 unit and 100. So and the total of the cost we we calculate for 100 unit and the total for the product price is 6,000 is 6,186 ringgit 50 cent. For the profit selling price, from the result of the profit selling price, we calculate the product selling for 100 unit only. The profit we get from the calculation is 84.53%, and the total for profit cash is 33,812 for 100 unit product. That's all from me, and I pass the next slide for NASRIN QISTINA. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is NASRIN BINTI NAZARUDDIN, and I'll be your next presenter. I'll be explaining the design concept. Design concept is a conceptual design in an early phase of the design process in which the broad outlines of function and form of something are articulated. It includes the design of interaction, experience, process, and strategies. It is an effective design concept, makes the goal of the product explicit, and serves as a boundary open which the product is built. Developing a design concept demands a clear understanding of the product, um, understanding of the type of problem to be solved, the ideal aesthetic style, the target audience, and the ideal needs. Next is our concept sketching. The first one is the concept sketching number one. For this one, we added uh, adjustable racks and tires, but it is a little bit smaller than the other sketches, like the units and dimension. The second sketch has a tire, adjustable racks in both sides, and is more stable than the first one. The third one uh, is a very unique one. It has tires and it has only one side of the sketch. Next is the concept selection. There's three concepts based on the concept sketching that we did. The first concept has probability score of 5, while the concept 2 has 5, and concept 3 is also 5. For user friendliness, concept 1 is 3, concept 2 is 4, and concept 3 is 2. Uh, Anti-corrosion, concept 1 has 3, concept 2 has 4, and concept 3 has 2. Adjustability, concept 1 has 2, concept 2 has 4, concept 3 has 3. And easy to install, concept 1 has 3, concept 2 also 3, and concept 3 also 3. And in total, the highest one is concept 2, which is 87, and we base our detailed design on that. Next is the first picture is the 3D rendering of the product, and the second one is the drawing of our product, including the dimension. Finally, we get into discussion and recommendation. In short, there are a lot of things that are required for us to prepare before we release an innovation platform product to the market pool. Initially, we came up with the idea, which is pineapple rack. By discussing among the group members, our main target will be the portability of the project. In order to set the mission statement, marketing research is important where it provides extra information for us to make a clear, good direction. Next, we are able to understand the customer needs and convert it into a needs statement with a positive word used. It is also to generate the idea for developing our product based on the features and others. It provides a strong relationship between the customers and the producers. Hence, we need to choose a concept which meets our expectation based on the specification and customer requirements and stimulate a conceptual sketch for the design that we choose. Last but not least, all the meetings were conducted online, which was quite hard for us to discuss physically because of the pandemic spreading around the world. It is grateful that the project is done effectively with the cooperation from all of the members. Communication among the group members will be the most important key for us to succeed in the end. We also appreciate the help from our lecturers who gave us advice on the project. After completing this project, we acquire a lot of valuable experience we will be useful for the future. Thank you.